Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. Now this is a pretty special day because what I have in front of me is a 2021 Audi RS Q8. This car has a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, 590 horsepower, 590 foot-pounds of torque, and I hope you saw my walk around, but now in this video, we're gonna take it out for a drive. I've traveled to Hummelstown here to see my buddy. Listen to this bad boy. Let's hit the start button. Oh yeah. All right. Here we go. All right, we are, I think I gotta go this way. We are taking off in the RS Q8. Oh man, this thing is just so sweet. So I did a video earlier this year saying that the Audi Q8 is the best looking SUV, and this car is certainly no slouch. This basically takes everything and cranks it up to 10, maybe even 11. Now, the other point that I made in the other video, this car is essentially a budget Lamborghini Urus. I mean, it is the same powertrain. Oh my god, gotta be careful around these curves. The same powertrain, 50 less horsepower, but also about $100,000 cheaper. And this car just, it feels like a beast that just wants to be unleashed. I mean, 591 horsepower is an insane amount of power. There's the Mazda right there. Anyway, so just getting this thing out on the road, I mean, it feels very special. I'll just say that. I mean, you know what this thing is capable of, but also the tech that you get in this car is pretty impressive too. I mean, you have standard air suspension, 23-inch wheels. There's a 48-volt mild hybrid system, you know, to help with fuel economy, because with this much power and how big this is, your fuel economy is not going to be too great. But obviously, if you are in the market for this car, you sort of know what you're getting into. So I like to see that Audi's new thing is sort of to help with the mild hybrid system. I mean, I think the S6 has that, and I think the RS7 and other RS cars have it as well. But yeah, as far as luxury SUVs go, this is pretty much at the mountaintop. I mean, I should say performance luxury SUVs. I mean, you know, there are cars like the Rolls-Royce Cullinan and the Bentley Bentayga, but those are more luxury. And this is the more attainable option than the Urus, which I think, you know, that's the flashier, you know, look at me, I'm out there option to this car. This it's the same thing with Audis. They are subtle and elegant and classy, and they just are in a league of their own almost. And I said in the other video, and I will say it again, I'm going to call him out again, Josh Wagner, you need to drive this car. It is better looking than the Mercedes. I say this because he's Mr. Mercedes only. The BMW, the X6, you know, looks like a pig sort of compared to this car. I think those cars are still great. I don't want to take anything away from them, but this car just looks the best. Plus it has almost 600 horsepower, all-wheel drive, air suspension, 23-inch rims. I mean, you see that I'm checking off all the boxes, and I'm gonna try not to hit this fan. All right, a little quick step. Oh, did you hear that shift? Oh yeah. Yeah. This could definitely put a smile on your face. All right, we are slowly approaching 322 to get on the highway, and I'm gonna hit the RS mode. One thing that the owner did mention, that this has the double insulated glass that you can't really hear as much as he would almost want when you are on the inside of the car. I'm just gonna wait a little. RS mode. Okay, S. No, I'm gonna wait a little. Actually, no, I'm not getting on the highway yet. But here, I'm just gonna give it one little quick step. Oh my gosh, I love when you put it in the RS mode, like the gauges turn into, like, it looks like a fighter jet. Basically the sights, you know, it reminds me of like a Lamborghini Reventone, real quickly. Yeah, that is, that'll work. And I just love too that the RS cars have the power and torque meter on the dash, so we'll see what we can get. All right, we're mid-ramp, and we're gonna do a little POV action right here. I mean, look at the fighter jet sort of tachometer right there. And I hope nobody's coming, because I want to sort of give her the beans, and nobody is coming. So we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! is some serious power. I mean, wow. I got up to like $6 grand and it just felt like it just wanted to keep going. Holy crap. Yeah, that is some serious performance. We're gonna try out the brakes. But yeah, I mean, this has got to be the top, I think, performance SUV I've ever driven. Earlier this year, you know, I drove a Tesla Model X, but that's a completely different car. But I did drive a Mercedes GLC 63, which was same size engine, a 4-liter bi-turbo, but that was, you know, down like 120 horsepower. This absolutely feels like a monster. You know, there's a reason why this has the record for the Nürburgring for an SUV. I can absolutely see why. I mean, it just, the power and torque is relentless, and wow. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, these cars like this that have the performance and luxury, they can do both sides of the coin. You know, you can put it in, you know, comfort mode and be as comfortable as you need to. Oh, I should have turned right there. Anyway, it can be comfortable, but then when you want to get on it, like I just did on the highway, it'll absolutely go there as well. I mean, it just shows how versatile, you know, these cars are. All right, I put the windows down a hair and we're gonna bomb the hills of Hershey in Hummelstown. Ready? Yeah, you can definitely hear it a little bit better. Oh, and there's windows. The windows go down so slowly. It is like the double layer glass. All right. Ew, that sounds gross. This sounds better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna step on the brakes. One more step. Oh my god. Oh my god. It just pulls. It pulls and pulls and pulls. Oh my god. Yeah, this is a beast. And now we're back into Hyde mode, not Dr. Jekyll. This is just Mr. Hyde. Oh my god. Yeah, so back into civilized mode, and yeah, you could just drive it like a normal, you know, normal person, but holy shit, this is fast. All right, just got back to home base here in the RSQ8, and I'm gonna say that this has got to be one of the better SUVs on sale under $150,000. Once you go above that, you know, you get into the crazier, you know, Bentleys and Rolls, and, you know, even like the Porsche Cayennes and stuff. I haven't driven any of those, so I'm gonna say this is one of the best SUVs for under $150,000. You have almost 600 horsepower, you know, class-leading technology, plus the looks and the style. Oh, it's the complete package. I know I say that a lot when I drive lots of cars, but this car is a monster. It's an absolute beast, and it's also $100,000 cheaper than its cousin, the Lamborghini. You know, that's a whole other level up there too. So big thank you to Mr. Baker for the access to this car. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GemmyD on Cars, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.